You're going to be surprised how easy it is to use automatic dimensions in ArchiCAD. In this video, you master interior and exterior automatic dimensioning, whereas in the last video, we did annotations. Video link above. And without waste of time, let's dive in. To carry out automatic exterior dimensions, select walls, Ctrl A on your keyboard. Navigate to documents and double click under dimensions. Under dimensions, you're going to make sure that your dimension type is the first one this way. Under weakness line, you make sure you choose the size height. Dimension text, you can allow all of those, but change the text style from Arial to Times New Roman. So just press T on your keyboard till when you get to Times New Roman. Once you're done, you're going to change the color from black to this. Click OK. Click on Documents, down to Annotations, Automatic Dimension, Exterior Dimension. So these are all selected. You're going to unselect Dimension Structure, which is the third one. Make sure you select Place Dimension on 4 sides. Once done, click OK. Choose the direction vector, which we are going to click here to this direction. Click here. Make sure your drawing shows completely. Triple click 1, 2, 3. You're going to adjust a few things like this 0.15. You want it to be here, so you just try to adjust a little bit. This 0.25, you don't want it to be outside, preferably you want it to be somewhere here. Same this way, you're just going to adjust them. Move from ground floor to first story. Select on walls, press in Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all walls. Click on Documents, down to Annotation, Automatic Dimension, Exterior Dimensioning. Click OK. Select first point, you're going to choose it this way. Select second point, you're going to choose it this way. The second aspect we want to do is interior dimension. And to do that, you're going to click on Wall, Ctrl A on your keyboard, navigate to Documents, Annotation, Automatic Dimension, Interior Dimensions. We are going to use the column endpoints, so click OK. Draw a line from this point to this point. To triple click where you want the dimension to be pasted. So I want the dimension to be pasted here. I'm just going to triple click here. 1, 2, 3. So once I triple click, I'm going to get rid of the wall thickness 0.15. The next line of dimension will be this section. So I'm going to click on walls, Ctrl A, move to Documents, Annotation, Automatic Dimension, Interior Dimensions. Okay, I'm drawing a line from somewhere here. Pass through this bed, through this place to somewhere here. Place the dimension in this bar, so triple click. So I want to delete this 0.15. Select walls, Ctrl A, Documents, Annotation, Automatic Dimension, Interior Dimension. Okay, I want the dimension to go through this point, so I'm going to select from this, draw a line from this wall to this wall, and I want to place the dimension somewhere here. Triple click. Get rid of this dimension, this one, this one. So I want to place this 5.2 this way, prefer it this way. Generally, I don't need to dimension all these other parts, so we are going to do the same this way. If you found this video helpful, you're definitely gonna love what we have next. Click here to discover how to draw a roof plan in ArchiCAD. See you on the other side, my friend.